Live here from Baskerville. We just had our first two races of the weekend. A bit of fun. I won the first one, which was fun. We made a pack because there weren't many cars, that we put on a bit of a show for the first half, and then we got into it at the end, and I think the end result was better than the first half. So a lot of fun. The Baskerville is an amazing track to race. I really wish we had 20, 22 cars here to put on a show, because that would be some of the best touring car racing I think you'd ever see. A lot of elevation change, very fast, and not a lot of aero wash, so you can pass the other car, which is really good. So unfortunately a bit of an incident race too with Dylan, so put an end to that. So we'll reconvene tomorrow and put on another show.
Just had our first two races in TCR here at Baskerville Raceway. Oh my God, they were so much fun. Heaps of passing and plenty of action. First race I came away with the podium, and the second race I got a win. How awesome. But yeah, just crazy stuff out there. We're really close, rubbing panels, and yeah, nothing between us.